Hi, this is Victoria Casey, and I work for Creekview Realty as a writer. And today I'm here with a NOLA lender. He's actually from NOLA Lending. He is a banker. His name is Dekovan Wesly, and he's going to talk to us about some stuff that we need to know when we're asking about loans. Hi, Dekovan.
Hey, Vic. Thanks for having me today.
All right. Now, you're a mortgage banker, correct?
Yes, I am with NOLA Lending.
Okay, cool. Now, what questions, if I'm coming in for a loan, what do I need to know from you? How do I know when I'm sizing up loans and I'm going to different lenders, what are the questions that I should be asking as a consumer to make sure that I'm getting the best loan for me?
Yeah. Okay. So a few good things that I talk to all of my customers about, especially when they're shopping, are about the fees and the points that they're paying. So each bank or lender is going to have their own fees that they charge. Normally those fees, the bank fees, are going to be about $900, and the purpose for those are for processing and underwriting the loan. Once you get above that, maybe from that $900 to $1,100 range, that's what you should expect. So anything above that is a little abnormal. So you want to watch for that. Another thing is points. So points are going to be directly related to the interest rate. So, in order to buy down and get a lower interest rate that's normally being offered, you can choose to pay points, and that'll help you to get a lower interest rate, which will result in a lower payment. Another thing to think about and be aware of is a prepayment penalty. So most people do not want to have that tied to their loan, because if you choose to pay it off early rather than later, you don't want to have to pay any points or fees or penalties or anything like that in order to choose to pay off your loan early. You also want to be aware of any closing costs, so what's fully involved with the loan that you're getting. So you can expect to have lender fees, prepaids, which is what we call it, but those are for the taxes and the insurance, and then also there's going to be an appraisal cost and any title fees. So those are just a few things that you want to be aware of and have in mind whenever you're kind of choosing it and looking at different lenders and shopping out there.
Okay, and you had said that basically if I'm looking at over $200 for my loan fees, that's a bit excessive, so kind of keeping it down within that range. And what is a typical closing cost? How much should I be looking at for a closing cost? Do you advise me on that?
Well, it's definitely going to be tied to the home that you're purchasing, because the title is going to be tied to that. But generally, about $3,500, I would say, would be a good estimate that you can expect, depending on again the home that you're buying.
Now, Mr. Wesly, how can I get a hold of you if I want to reach you? If I want to get a loan from NOLA Lending, how can I reach you?
Oh, definitely. My number is 939-0594.
Can you repeat that? It broke up just a little bit.
Yeah, it's 469-939-0594.
Well, thank you for your time today, and we'll talk again. And again, this is Victoria Casey from Creekview Realty. I'm one of the writers, and you can reach Creekview Realty at 1-800-219-9444 or go to creekviewrealty.com. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Wesly, and we will talk again.
All right, thanks for having me.
All right, bye-bye.